Welcome to Login Aid. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to turn off bringing devices together on your iPhone. For that, you need to go on your settings. Now here you can see the option General. You can tap on that. And here you can simply see the option AirDrop. Now simply tap on that. And at the downside, you can see the option Start Sharing by Bringing Devices Together. Now you need to simply toggle up the button. And now you can see that your bringing devices together option has been turned off. Turning off the bringing devices together feature on your iPhone is important for enhancing privacy and security. Not only this, but turning off this feature can also help you avoid distraction from notification or alerts from other devices. Potentially, it also extends your battery life by minimizing constant connectivity. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Login Aid. Thank you.